In this video, we're diving into whether ArcAds AI is the best tool for creating video ads quickly. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel we cut through the fluff to help you understand new technologies that can boost your marketing using AI. Now, if you've ever struggled to produce engaging video advertisements because of time, cost, or lack of on-camera talent, this review is for you. Now, what if you could generate a fully voiced, human-like advertisement without hiring actors or setting up cameras? Sounds like science fiction, but several AI video tools promise exactly that. ArcAds AI stands out by offering a library of hundreds of AI actors who will read your script and simulate realistic facial expressions and gestures. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. What is ArcAds AI? ArcAds AI is an online platform designed to help marketers and business owners create user-generated style video ads quickly. Rather than filming a person, you pick a digital actor, write your message, choose a voice, and the tool produces a video of that actor delivering your script. The aim is to lower the cost of time barriers associated with video production while still maintaining a sense of authenticity. Core features: AI Actors Library. Access to over 300 digital actors of various ages, genders, and ethnicities. These avatars are designed to look like real people and deliver a range of expressions and gestures. Script assistance. If you need help writing your ad copy, ArcAds offers prompts or templates for different industries and objectives. You can also paste your own script. Speech-to-speech technology. This allows you to adjust tone and pacing. You can choose voices in different languages and accents, making your ad accessible to global audiences. Customization options. Select backgrounds, lighting, clothing, color schemes, and body gestures to match your brand. Now, though options are limited compared to professional video editors, they do allow basic personalization. Bulk generation. You can generate multiple variations of your ad for A/B testing. For example, you can test different hooks or calls to action with the same actor and script. Multilingual support. ArcAds supports dozens of languages, enabling you to create localized ads quickly. These features aim to cover the essentials of creating an ad: a clear script, a human presence, and some visual customization. Getting started with ArcAds AI. Signing up. Account creation requires an email and a password. Now, there's no traditional free trial, but you might find a demo video or short preview. ArcAds uses a subscription model, sometimes with an upfront cost that covers a certain number of credits or video minutes. Pricing can be a barrier for small businesses, so review current plans carefully before committing. Choosing your AI actor. Now, once you're logged in, you'll browse through the actor library. Each actor has a thumbnail and a sample of their voice. Consider your target audience when selecting an actor. A younger demographic might connect with a youthful, energetic face, whereas a professional service could choose a more mature presence. Writing or uploading a script. Next, provide the script that you want the actor to read. If you need inspiration, ArcAds offers script templates for various industries. For example, e-commerce, coaching, software, and keep your ad short. Most platforms recommend 15 to 30 seconds for social media. Your script should include a hook that grabs attention, the main benefit or story, clear call to action. You can type your script into the editor or paste it from another document. ArcAds will display an estimated video length based on word count. Selecting voice and language. Choose the language and accent that best suits your audience. Some actors have specific voice options. Others let you pick from a list. If you want to adjust tone or emphasis, look for pitch and speed sliders. These small adjustments can help your ad feel more natural. Customizing gestures and backgrounds. ArcAds allows you to choose from a limited set of gestures and backgrounds. For example, the actor can point towards the camera, nod, or hold a product virtually. Backgrounds range from solid colors to virtual environments like offices or cityscapes. Select options that align with your brand and the ad's message. And don't overdo gestures. A few well-timed movements look more believable than consistent motion. Generating the video. After configuring the details, click Generate. The platform processes your request and renders the video. Depending on length and server load, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to half an hour. You'll receive a preview link when it's ready. Reviewing and downloading. Watch the generated video carefully. Check for lip sync accuracy, proper pronunciation, and emotional tone. Something feels off, perhaps the actor's expression doesn't match the script's mood, return to the customization panel and adjust gestures or voice parameters. You may need to regenerate the video to get the desired result. Once satisfied, download the file in your preferred resolution. Strengths of ArcAds AI. Speed and efficiency. Creating a traditional video ad requires scripting, filming, editing, and possibly hiring actors or renting equipment. ArcAds compresses this timeline into a few hours. This speed is invaluable for marketers who need to produce ads quickly to capitalize on trends or promotions. Cost savings. Hiring actors and videographers can be expensive, especially if you need multiple variations for testing. ArcAds charges a subscription fee, but the cost per video video is typically lower than a full production, making it accessible for businesses with limited budgets. Consistency. AI actors deliver consistent performance every time. You don't need to worry about bad takes or scheduling conflicts. This uniformity helps when running A/B tests, as you can change the script without introducing variations in delivery. Multilingual capabilities. If your business serves international audiences, ArcAd's language support can be a game changer. You can quickly produce ads in Spanish, French, Mandarin, and many other languages without hiring native speakers. Limitations of ArcAd's AI. Emotional depth and authenticity. While AI actors look realistic at a glance, they can lack the subtle emotional range of a human. Facial expressions. Facial expressions may feel slightly stiff, and hand gestures can appear mechanical. This may make your ad seem a little less relatable, particularly if the content requires empathy or humor. Limited customization. ArcAds provides some customization options, but they don't rival full video editing software. You can't change camera angles, add complex graphics, or modify the actor's wardrobe beyond a few presets. For brands that require a distinct visual style, this can be limiting. Separate editing needed. After generating your video, you may want to add music, text overlays, or product shots. ArcAds doesn't offer an in-platform editor for these enhancements. You'll need to use another program to finalize your ad. This extra step adds time and requires at least basic editing skills. Pricing and lack of free trial. ArcAds often charges a monthly fee plus additional costs for video credits. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't always offer a free trial. This upfront investment can feel risky if you're unsure whether the tool fits your needs. Additionally, pricing may be higher than alternatives that offer basic text-to-video features or more customization. Physical product showcase. If your ad requires showing a physical product in use, an AI actor can't actually interact with it. You may need to add separate footage or images in post-production. This limits the tool's usefulness for certain product categories. Comparing user reviews. Reviews of ArcAds are mixed. Users praise how quickly they can turn around ads and appreciate the ability to test multiple scripts without hiring talent. They also enjoy the variety of actors and languages. However, some users note that the videos can feel uncanny or lack genuine warmth. These differing opinions highlight that ArcAds is best for certain scenarios, particularly digital products and short social ads, while it may not work as well for emotional storytelling or complex branding requirements. Tips for getting the most out of ArcAds. Write concise, engaging scripts. Keep your script short and focused. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds with a clear hook and call to action. Choose appropriate actors. Pick an avatar that matches your target audience. Consider factors like age, demeanor, and language. Limit gestures. Too many gestures looks unnatural. Choose a couple that emphasize key points. Combine with real footage. If your product needs demonstration, film short clips and splice them into your ad using a video editor. Use ArcAds for the talking head portion. Test multiple versions. Take advantage of bulk generation to create different openings or calls to action. Run ads simultaneously and track performance. Use captions and graphics. Since ArcAds doesn't provide robust editing, add text overlays and logos in another tool to reinforce your message. So is ArcAds AI the best tool for creating videos fast? Well, it depends on your use case. If you need simple, talking head style ads delivered quickly and cost effectively, ArcAds can be a super valuable addition to your marketing toolkit. Its library of AI actors and multilingual support make it super easy to reach diverse audiences without hiring talent or investing in gear. For small businesses running digital promotions or testing ad copy, ArcAds provides speed and convenience. A hybrid approach where combining AI actors with real footage and professional editing may yield better results. So evaluate your needs, budget, and desired level of authenticity before committing. Now, if you want to get started with ArcAds AI, you'll find a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And supporting the channel this way really helps us creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much, and we really appreciate it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.